Okay, hello everyone. This is Survey Payout, and you are officially welcome to this survey site called Custard Survey. If you check out the link here, you see that it is a UK Custard Survey. Custard Survey has its host in the United Kingdom, so they pay a lot in the United Kingdom compared to the United States. All right, so in my WhatsApp group, I promised those who are my group that I was going to show them um, some few simple tricks on how they can be able to maximize and easily accumulate money from this Custard Survey app. So here are a few things you can earn money from Custard Survey playing games. You can also earn by doing surveys. Now, with this survey, they can give you survey like Mubrog, they can give you survey, they can give you any other kind of surveys, and then you get paid. Now, there is RapidPay, and then I'm going to focus on these which I have marked. Now, there is one other thing I would like to emphasize on, which is concerning the referral aspect. So, now, Custard survey is promising that if you refer someone, you're going to earn £8. Sometimes, if you refer someone, you can earn £25, depend on the tax. So, but the initial is that you're going to earn £8. Before it was £5. Okay, so now is that you need to earn £8, and before you earn £8, the person must have cashed out the minimum of £10, which is £10 is a minimum cash out on Custard Survey. So the person must have cashed out the minimum of £10. Now, when you join Custard Survey using a referral link, you'll be paid £2.50, and when you complete the survey, you will be paid 0.5, and then automatically you'll be left with 3.0 pounds on as available balance. Okay, so and the payment is going to reflect here, and then you'll be left with £7 to cash out. Now that is it for the referral, and I'm going to show you how you can add your bank. With this Custard Survey, you can cash out with PayPal. You can be able to cash out if you don't have a PayPal account, and then you have a UK bank account. If you have a UK bank account with sort code and your information are correct, that is your first and last name, you can cash out. Maybe if you have a Grey account or GigPay account that has the information, you can add them, and then you can also cash out using a gift card. So the second means by which you can earn is using this. So here is one of the secrets: RapidPay. So for RapidPay, you they get to review your account within 48 hours. Within 48 hours, this Custard review what you've done, and then they credit you instantly. But unlike the RapidPay, if you are doing surveys, let me click on survey. If you are to do surveys, it will take up to, for instance, if I come to do this survey, it's going to take, after I'm done with the survey, it's going to take about 3 10 to 15 days for Custard to review this survey and pay this small money. So instead of that, I can take this. Instead of that, I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. And let Mubrog, let Custard review my activity on this particular tax for 48 hours and I get credited. So this will easily earn you the £10. So now for this tax, let me click on this tax here. Let me click on this tax, which is RapidPay, and show you an example of what you have to do here. If you are to play games on this site, you earn the maximum of £12. So the games pay higher. Now there are some instructions I will have to adhere to for me to be able to earn, and these are the steps. Now, first thing I will need to do is to sign up for Surveyor. I'll need to confirm my email. I'll need to complete at least one survey. So when I do that, I'll earn this £1. So have you seen how easy this can be? I can easily earn this within 5 minutes. But yet, do not rush. Come to the terms and conditions. So if you see here, it said the payout time is 2 days. That is 48 hours after tracking. And then you must ensure that you are a new person to that particular this particular survey site. You need to be a new person. You don't need to register or click or put in your email that you've used to register on the site before. So if you have a different email, you can just click on that email and then follow up. And then after 2 days or in 2 days time, you get credited. So just imagine that within 24 hours, you're able to do different surveys. You're able to do different surveys worth £1 within 24 hours. I know you can do more than that. Just imagine you can do this thing and then in 2 days time, you're getting your £10 and you can cash out the £10. Now when you come to the game, play and earn. I'm sorry this video is going to be long already. I didn't plan to make this video long, so let me be quick on this. Let me look for a particular game. Okay, so look at this game. Okay, so that's not the game. Now for the terms and conditions, the tagging takes within a day, and you should not cheat, or else you will not get a reward. So when you come down here, you need to complete at least level 10 within 2 days, and then you see your money increasing. So guys, jump on this Custard Survey. I'll be dropping my link below in the comment section. Okay, also in the description of this video. So if you're interested in using my link, feel free to use my link. This is a UK Custard Survey, and if this is your first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping the method on how you can successfully register on a live point survey and get good number of surveys on your dashboard. And share this video if you've done Custard Survey before. If you're having challenges or your successes, please do well to share it in the comment section of this video. Do well to like this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.